Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Someone said one thing about the show of Uthando Nesthembu, it will take its viewers through 100 types of emotions through different episodes, you guys. Lalela, one episode we are angry, one episode we are siyakhala, sikhalela umusa nesimo sakhe. Next episode we are spiritual, we are grateful for life. Listen, you will go through the emotions with Uthando Nesthembu. And I feel like I kind of went through that, you guys, when I saw MaCele, Uabo, Benosne going to the beach to pray. One thing, guys, we have to give to MaCele, and I've been saying this season in, season out. Guys, the way she raised her kids, nah, guys, she has raised her kids to be respectful beings, and kudos to her for that, you guys. I love what she said to Abongwe. When she was speaking to Abongwe after they were done praying, she was like, Abo, babaku, right? Don't stress yourself about those things. Yiba yingane wena. I loved that, guys, because in black families, you are forced most of the times, not all the times, most of the times you are forced to grow up, you guys. So for MaCele to say wuti yiba yingane, meaning that don't take up adult issues when it's not yet your time or it's not yet your place to do that. I am here as a mother. When I yiba yingane, continue with focusing on your studies and all of that. I was just so touched by the words that MaCele said to Abo about that, you guys. But not only that, guys, sometimes I think as parents, we forget ukuthi the stuff that we do, we model to some extent what our children are going to take seriously. I don't think Uabo being prayerful in a sense, though Uabo says when she was in matric or something like that, she started taking prayer seriously. But I don't think that that's coming from nowhere. I think it's coming from the fact that she grew up seeing her mother being a prayerful woman. I love that about MaCele, you guys, because sometimes, guys, you need to know when to kukhange guys, because ezinye izinto you can't solve them ngomlomo, ezinye izinto you can't explain them, but idolo will work. And one thing about MaCele, she excels in that. I love that about her. She knows how to stand in the gap for her husband and her family, and I feel like she's kind of posted on to Abosne, Abo. Some people normally say one of the greatest gifts you can give to your children is teaching them about God, guys, or teaching them how to pray. Because even as umzali, you can't be there for your children, but if you teach them ukuthi there's a higher being, or there's a God that can come through for them, or a God that they can, release their feelings out to, like that's going to get them through challenges that they can't even speak to you about. And I love that about Tuabongwe. We see the contrast in she's sitting with her father's crying, and she's able to be strong for her father and motivate him that, listen, I need you there for my graduation day. But she goes to the beach and you see her crying out her emotions. There's a difference, guys. You must know ukuthi ama emotions wakho ukuthi wathelelaphi, not on social media, not on WhatsApp statuses where you're speaking about izinto that you're going through, which there's nothing wrong with that. But guys, sometimes you must know where to channel your energy, because knowing where to channel your problems and your energy is going to kind of help or determine where you get your strength from. Social media, you're not going to get your strength from there. Yes, abanye abantu bazokhuthaza, but if you draw your strength from God, guys, I just feel like at least there is hope of some sort. But anyway, kudos to MaCele for Wabongwe. Listen, guys, Wabong is one of my favorite children, one of my favorite MaCele children, because of how level-headed she is. But listen, congratulations, MaCele, on the work you are doing on those children. Anyway, let's pause it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.